In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to participate in this Kucoin Spotlight token sales. And this is the news. You have to press this right here, and it's going to take you to this announcement right here. I'm going to be sharing the full details of information you need to know for you to get started in participate in this token sales. And the name of this token is IMVU, and the token symbol is VCORE. And token sales will be happening on CoinList Spotlight. Kucoin will be launching these 26 spotlights on their token sales with IMVU at 00 UTC time at June 16, 2023. This token sales will be operated by old and gain lottery ticket format. So spotlight details. Spot number one, spotlight ad cap is 250,000. Spotlight allocation is 40 VCORE. Total winning tickets is 2005 tickets to be won. Maximum winning ticket per user is 1. Total VCORE for each winner if you win a ticket is 16,000 VCORE token, which is worth of $100 USD. Spotlight token price set right here. They're going to be offer one of these tokens is right here. They're going to be offer this token at this price in dollar 0.00625 dollar. That's how much they will be offering this one of this token. And price ratio, the actual price ratio of KCS will be announced on the day of the token sales. So they are going to be determine a amount of token will be able to use to buy this coin at the market price of KCS. Token sales format, old and gain lottery ticket. Number 9, spotlight token distribution plan. 1/2 will be unlocked on the token generation events. After 30 days, an additional 1/2 shall be released, such as all the whitelist allocation are being released within month from the TGE date. How to participate right now, and from 00 on June 16, 2023 to 00 on June 19, 2023 UTC time, Kucoin will take a randomly hourly snapshot of user total KCS total holding. Winner will be chosen in a lottery draw after the snapshot after the subscription period. To be eligible to participate in this, users are required to have a daily average holding at least 10 KCS. The more token you hold, the more chance you'll be able to receive a ticket. These are the tickets. If you have this 10 token to 15 token of this KCS, you're going to get one ticket. And if you have 50 to 100 two tickets, this is the formula of these rules. And right here, the KuCoin Spotlight token says timeline. Subscription is going to start at this time. I've already talked about this. And during this subscription period, user holding will be calculated in hourly snapshot for each day. Ticket calculation 00 on June 19, 2023 to 9 o'clock on June 9, 2023 UTC time. And lottery ticket will be announced as this time of the day. And please check your ticket on the spotlight page. And the lottery ticket draw is going to begin at 14 o'clock UTC time, 19 June at this time UTC time. And please check if you want ticket through the spotlight token page. And this token distribution is going to take place at 2 o'clock on June 2023 to 9 o'clock on June 20, 2023 UTC time. And make sure you check this link. I'm going to leave this link in a video description for you to read more about this. And to participate in this spotlight event, please ensure your account meets this following criteria. You have to pass level 3 verification process, and 2, the user from the following country will be restricted to participate in this token sales, and 3, you have to agree to sign the purchase agreements of purchasing this token sales. After that, after you sign the agreement to purchase this token sales, then after completing this step above, make sure you click on register button now. So I'm going to make a video on how to make this, how to register and how to sign this agreement with Kucoin if you want to buy this, participate in this token sales on Kucoin. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to not miss the next video I'm going to make. So like the video and subscribe to my channel.